Guys, guess what? The RCP Core is in the house. Let's unbox it and check out what's inside. All right, guys, so check it out. The RCP Core is in the house. This is a box. We're gonna crack it open. And just in case you guys are wondering, I did break my finger, so I have to wait until this little cast. But anyways, let's go ahead and crack it open and see what's inside, guys. We're about to open this puppy. And then we got one more right over here. And let's put this knife away before we cut our finger and then need another brace. And sure enough, here it is, guys. The RCP Core. Ooh, check it out. This is fresh. It just arrived, so check it out, guys. This is it right here. Bam. The RCP Core. All right, guys, finally here, the RCP Core. Check it out. This is a case, the box right here. Boom. Look at the sides. Let me go ahead and rotate. Give me the bottom side. Here's this side right here. Might be a little too close. Here's the other side. Let's go ahead and crack it open and see what we got inside. So let's pop it open. Opens this way. Boom. Let's see it. All right. It's got this cool little padding right here. For the RCP. Here it is, the RCP Core. Let's pop it out, guys. Let's check it out. Oh, it comes wrapped. Check it out. It comes wrapped in a plastic here. Just pull it out of the sleeve. Pretty cool. Let's put it back in here. I'm gonna drop it back in. It's placed. Boom. You have your power supply right here. Look at this, guys. Cool little power supply. Let's pull it out of here. Boom. It does support PoE Plus too, which is awesome. But in case you don't have that, you can always just plug it in here. And we have our cables here. Cool. We got all kinds of different cables. We got USB-C type cables. Yep, converters, all that good stuff. That's the packaging, guys. Let's go ahead and turn it on and see what this puppy can do. All right, guys, so we have the RCP Core here, which is ready to go. I plugged it in. We also have the Gen 3 GIPC200, and this camera is just set here so you can see all the changes happen live as we go through. So let's get to the RCP Core. Let's come back over here. Check it out. The RCP Core is very powerful because you can control up to 7 cameras. Right now, we only have 1 camera, so we're just using 1. But say I had 3 more of these Gen 3 GIPC200s. I can dial 1 in, get all my colors and everything set up, and use the copy and paste function and paste all that color science to each camera with the press of a button. And I don't have to go into each camera and manually change the contrast and the white balance and all that stuff, right? So that's really, really cool. You have access to your OSD menu of your camera, so all you gotta do is just press the OSD button, boom, and you use the arrows to toggle through. Pretty cool, right? Not only that, we can go day and night mode. So that's like the IR sensor, pretty cool. We can adjust our format, so whatever frame rate we want or we're looking at, we can just dial it in, set it, and forget it. We have auto white balance. You can go from auto white balance to manual balance. So, you know, we can just toggle through them, see what we want, and then you just enable it, boom, whatever you're working with. So I can adjust my contrast and just, boom, adjust the contrast however I want, pull it, and you guys get to see it live. Boom, and we can do the same thing with saturation. If we want to go with saturation, we can push it up, push it down, boom, and we're set, right? So we can get back to our white balance, and let's get out of indoor mode because you see how the color changed a little bit. Let's go ahead and move to our push, which is our manual white balance that we had started with. This controller is also very powerful because it can also control the PTZ camera. Very minimal controls, but you have like zoom speed, you have pan and tilt, you can use the arrows to pan and tilt the camera. So it's pretty cool. You can do all the POV, the color science, the shading and all that, and you have some PTZ controls. So anyways, this is the first look at this RCP Core. Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. See you guys soon. Cheers.